Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to make private servers in Roblox. Firstly, you have to go to the Roblox website, type Roblox in the search panel of your browser, then click on Roblox. Now go to the Roblox website. So going into the Roblox website, make sure that you're logged into your account, then go to your profile section. Now click on creations. Now select any creation you want to make a private server on. I'll select this one. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now click on configure this experience. Now on the left hand side in the audience tab, go to access settings. Now scroll down until you find the server settings and the toggle called allow private servers. Just toggle it on. You can set if it requires Robux to create a private server or not. Then save changes. Now go back to the experience tab. Now click on the server section. Now reload the page. Now you'll see that you can create private servers on this game, which is free of cost. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.